So here's how to fix Asus laptop stuck on logo or loading screen. So first you'll need to boot up your laptop and then hold F9 or F10, depends on your model. And a menu like this should show up. It should tell you please wait, and then it should open up this blue menu right here. Now you can click continue on your Windows 10 or 11. And if that boots up Windows normally, then it should solve the problem. Otherwise, you can reboot your PC again and then choose troubleshoot instead, and then choose advanced options, and that should open up this window right here. Now from here you can simply run a startup repair, or you can simply restore the system to a point where it was working. Now, if that still did not help you fix the problem, what you can do is turn off your PC completely and then boot it up again and hold the power button down for about 60 seconds, and that should perform a hard reset, and it should generally fix the problem for Asus laptops. And now if that still did not fix your problem, what you can do is completely reinstall Windows or reset Windows, and it will delete everything including your personal files. You can do it from this same menu here. Go to troubleshoot and then go to instead of advanced options, you will see an option to reset this PC. You should simply click on it, and it will ask you if you want to remove everything or keep personal files, and that should reset Windows and perform a fresh install, and it should generally fix your boot problems. Thank you guys for watching, and subscribe.